Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic 6 Lite, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the battery. As you can see here, we've got the option battery percentage, so let's tap on it, and here we've got three different options. Probably you've got this one, so only the battery indicator. You can show the battery percentage inside the battery icon or outside the battery icon, which is the option I had previously applied. So both of those options are really cool. However, this one is much more visible. I mean, the percentage is bigger. Here, obviously, because it is inside the battery icon, it has to be smaller, and it can be a little bit hard to read for example, older people. But it's of course up to you which option you prefer. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.